Field in Rome, New York. And this guy was just doing touch and goes. We just missed him.
Taxi back.
Yeah.
For a,
the ground guys aren't here, so. Big Bird. Here it is, getting ready to depart. What is this again?
I said 141, but I may be wrong. It's smaller than the C5, obviously.
Yeah. Should have had my camera the other day. We had the Blackhawks and Chinooks come in. That was nice. DHL. They do maintenance here at Rome. Wonder if this is coming in for some maintenance. Here we go.